Hi guys, welcome to another educative video. My name is Gucci and this is the Small Channel Zone. All right, so this video is dedicated to a turning point with I am Faye and Adnomso Telma. First of all, I want to apologize for doing this really late. You guys commented in my video about almost 2 weeks ago asking me to teach you how to make a video to teach you how to create your customized subscribe button. I do apologize. I was supposed to make this video the coming weekend and I got caught up with other activities. So I do apologize. Right. So now I'm making this video to teach you how to design your customized subscribe button. Okay. So before we get into it, have you subscribed to this channel yet? Now subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, that's the subscribe button. You can see there the customized subscribe button, and I'm about to teach you guys how to design yours. All right, let's get into it. So, guys, I'm here at Canva. I'm using Canva desktop. You can also do this using your mobile Canva. I actually designed mine using my mobile Canva, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using my desktop. Okay. All right. So, click on create a design. Click on YouTube thumbnail. Now go ahead and change this white background to a colored background, right? So you can see, let's just use a green background straight up. Okay. All right. Now next you go to elements, and search for shapes, lines and shapes, lines and shapes. Okay, let's just search for shapes straight up. Okay. Now, okay, shapes and lines. Okay, so now go ahead and look for a shape that is, like a curvy shape, a curvy rectangle or a curvy square. Let me just click on see all. Okay, so look for a shape that has a curved edge. And from what we can see here, this will do it for us. Great. Now we're going to, just adjust this shape to suit our, design or our work. Let's move it down a bit. Okay. So you can go ahead and change the color of this shape to white. Okay. I want it to look smaller here. That's great. Okay. Next, you're going to insert a circle. Let's go to elements again. Insert a circle for you to shapes and lines. So from here, we're going to look for a circle, right? Great. Now we're going to insert it into this shape. Let's reduce it a bit. Now insert it into the shape. Great. You can do this the exact one I have, but this is exact the way my current subscribe button is looking. But you can actually, if you want it to be inside the rectangle, then you reduce it. Okay, and just place it in here. Okay, let's adjust this a bit. Okay, great. Now next you're going to insert your photo. Okay, so let's go to, if you have photos already on your Canva, like I'm going to do now. I have photos already in my uploaded on my Canva, so you can just go and pick up anyone, right? So you can just actually drag this and drop. So drag and drop. That's what happens. Okay. I clicked on it twice. That's why we had that extra photo hanging there. Okay, so now we have this. The next thing is to insert a text, right? Your name. So go to text on the left side, add a text box. Okay, so let's expand this so we can see what we're doing. Sometimes I prefer to just use the mobile really. Okay, so now you can go ahead and add the name of your channel, Gochi Amadi. Okay, you can add your name or the name of your channel. Now I'm going to bring this text box down and place it right here. Okay, let's make it bold. You can use any fonts that you want, right? You can change the fonts, add effects or whatever, right? I'm sure you all know how to do that already. So yeah, next we're going to add the thumb because we're about to add the subscribe button, right? So now I'm going to go to elements again, and you're going to search for thumbs up, rather search for thumbs up. There you have it. Guys, I apologize. I don't know, my stand, my tripod stand is never straight, so this screen is kind of bent right now, but I do apologize. I hope you can actually see what I'm doing. That's the most important thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and just use this dark color. Yeah, reduce the size. Let me tell you why I chose to use a green background first, a green background or backdrop, because you're going to, when you get to CapCut, you have to remove background. So if you use any other color, the Chrome will not be able to give you what you want. Okay. All right. So this is our like. Right now we're going to go back there and look for subscribe. Okay, subscribe. There you go. So you're going to look for, make sure you look for one without a bell. I'm sorry, one without, yeah, it's better to use one without a bell, without anything at all. No bell, no um mouse or hands. Okay. Yeah, so that will give it the, because you're going to add your own animation eventually. So let's use this one. I'm able to use this now because I'm on Canva Pro, right? I just recently subscribed to Canva Pro. But if you are not subscribed to Canva Pro, you can use this. This is the previous one. This is the one I currently have. It's free, right? So, but now that I'm subscribed to Canva Pro, let me just use this one. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put this in here. Reduce the size some more. Okay. Now the next thing is to put our bell. So we come here and we search for notification bell, or just type bell. Let's see. Search. All right. So I'm going to use let's use this one. It looks cute. Okay. Remember, if you are not a subscribed member, you can, there are free ones as well. Ooh, okay. Looks kind of small, but yeah, I think that should be the actual size. We're going to reduce all of these ones to become smaller. Yes, this is better. Yeah. So yeah, this is good. All right. So now let me reduce this shape here. Voila. So the next thing you're going to do, um, next thing we're going to do is to, first of all, let's change the colors of this. Okay. We can either leave it black, but I will want all of them to be the same color. So let's see if we can change all of the colors to pink or a lighter shade of red. Okay. So let's check out colors. I'll tell you the reason why we are changing colors. Okay, so yeah, let's use a lighter shade of red for all of them. I kind of like this subscribe button that I'm I'm designing. I'm probably going to change what I currently have, okay, and start using this. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do, you're going to go ahead and duplicate this page about 3 times, okay? I'll tell you why you're doing that, why you need to do that. Um, duplicate page, okay, yeah, right? Now, come here, change the color of this thumb to a sharp red. Now, after changing the color of the thumb, you're going to duplicate this particular page again. Note, not the first page. You're duplicating this particular page. Duplicate it. Now you're going to come here and change this to a bright red. Great. Next, you're going to duplicate this page now. After changing the thumb and subscribe, you duplicate. Next, you're going to come here and change this to a bright red. Okay. So now we have 4 pages, right? Next, we're going to now save this and take this project over to CapCut. So you can save this by clicking on this share here. Downloads, click on download. So this is our file, right? We're going to move it over to CapCut. So let's go to CapCut, guys. So guys, we're here on CapCut. Again, for the purpose of this video, I'm using my laptop. It's just kind of, it's easier for me to like, record my laptop while speaking through my mic, right, than doing a screen recording on my mobile and then later have to add voiceover. I don't know if you know what I mean. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just import um the project. So png1, let's add. Okay, so now we're going to drag them here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what does it look like here. And 4. Okay. All right, so this is what we have now. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to add, go ahead and add, we're going to do our animation, but first I think we should trim this video a bit. Okay, so let's trim it, because if you play this now, it's going to be like kind of long. So let's play and see before it enters the next one. Okay, so if we leave it this way, that's how long it's going to take for your subscribe buttons to display on your video. So it's kind of long, as you can see. Now I hope you understand why we have why we have to duplicate this page on Canva. Each page is representing the click, right? So by the time we add the animation, it's going to make more sense. So now I'm going to just let's trim all of these pages. Let's cut them and make them brief. Okay. Okay, so I think this is a good duration. So next we're going to have to add our animation. So let's go to sticker. We're looking for the mouse, okay? The finger mouse. I'm going to go ahead and just add this. I'm sure you know how we got to this place, right? It's from stickers. You have to click here, stickers and CapCut, okay? All right, so we're going to add this and I'm going to size it down. Okay. Okay. I'm going to bring this right here, just below the thumbs up, okay? Now, guys, because I'm using a laptop, right? The laptop version of CapCut, I'm going to have to add that mouse finger 3 times. Okay. But if I was using the mobile, I don't need to add it. I'll do is extend this all the way down here. But I've tried to do that with my laptop and it didn't work. So I had to like add it separately. So the way the animation is going to look, the finger is going to come out 3 times to hit on the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and then the bell. Unlike the mobile version where it goes all the way from the thumbs up straight to subscribe and to the bell without having to come out one after the other. So, but that's just what it is here. Okay, so I'm going to have to add the next one on this screen. Okay, on the third one, the third screen or the third clip rather. Okay, so we bring our mouse here. Okay, great. Now we're going to add this here. Okay, size it up, size it down. I mean, and then I'm going to bring it right below the subscribe button. Okay, now I'm going to move it to fit in here. We're going to have to reduce all of this again. Now we bring our mouse here and then we add the last one. And then we size it up, size it down again. And we bring it right below the bell. Okay, let's bring this here. Now I'm going to explain something here, right? I'm going to have to reduce each of these clips, right? The reason why is because the distance from here between this design, this subscribe design, and this green background here is very short, very tiny, meaning that the animation, the mouse won't have enough time to move. It's going to be very fast. The movement is going to be very fast and very short. So for that reason, I'm going to have to reduce all of this clip. Okay, let's bring this down. Okay, so we don't see it. I'm going to have to reduce everything here. So this one is going to be the first clip is going to be very short, like this. Okay, now let's extend it a little bit like this. Okay, great. Now the second one, we're going to reduce as well. This short, okay, great. So now the mouse for it is going to go like this. Great. Now we reduce this one as well to look like this. Great. And this one. Great. So now I'm moving this mouse here to fit into here. I mean, okay, great. Okay, and then we bring this one here. Now, for us to add the animation to make it look like the mouse is actually moving and hitting on each of the buttons, we are going to first of all add a keyframe here. Let's bring our mouse here. Okay, great. Now we're going to add a keyframe. Go over here and add your keyframe, right? Then you move the mouse, go to your screen and move the mouse up to hit on the thumbs up. Now you're going to play it until it gets to the subscribe button, then you pause it, you stop it, and move your mouse again. Okay, so let's do that now. Stop. Right. Now we add a keyframe here. Okay, click on this first. Okay, now we're going to add a keyframe here, and then we're going to move the mouse up here. Okay, so hit the subscribe button. Now we will play, and once it gets to the bell, we'll stop. Yes, click on the sticker, then now add your keyframe again. Then come over here, move this to hit the bell, and voila. Okay, so now play. Yes, now we're going to go and play from the beginning, and let's see what it looks like. See what I mean by it's going to be very fast. Yeah. Okay, so next you want to click on export. Okay, you export it. Right. Now it's saved, so now you can just import it into your project whenever you're editing your videos, and you use the remove background feature in CapCut to remove the green background. In the remove background, you will see Chrome. I'm sure many of you know how to do it already. So you just use the Chrome and then remove the green background, and voila, your subscribe button is ready. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of this tutorial on how to design a customized subscribe button. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave it in the comment section, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.